So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we have the Undisputed Era challenging the Tag Team Champions Demolition. I believe it's a non-title match right now. It's just a tag team match between Adam Cole and his partner against HAMZA and the Crusher. Well, I believe he's bringing the whole team to the corner. So this is going to be kind of interesting and kind of like handicap-ish. But let's see what's going to happen. Let's give both teams good luck. Let's
ready to go here. And look at these two. Trash talking. Oh, look. They're not going to wait. They're just going to throw down. Yeah, I mean, this rivalry's been building and building and building, and you knew that there was going to be something like this, that there was going to be a blow-up here tonight. He wants no part of the outside, and he's heading back in.
And the bell has rung and the match has begun.
Vertical suplex. Nice.
Adam Cole is one of the best cruiserweight wrestlers here on NXT. Sorry.
Most of the truly great tag teams in sports entertainment created a double team finishing maneuver. The slight pile driver from Anderson and Blanchard, the heart attack from the Hart Foundation, the rocker dropper from the Rockers, or the Doomsday device from the Road.
And
the team needs to have a tag team finisher and be able to execute that finisher on all types of opponents.
Here's the tag. Adam Cole comes back in the ring. Headlock. And
Corey, a few moments ago, you mentioned some of the great tag team finishing moves in sports entertainment history. Don't forget about the 3D from the Dudley Boys, or the double drop kick from the 2017 WWE Hall of Famers, the Rock and Roll Express. In tag team action, like in Sing's competition, once a duo nails their opponent with their finisher, that should signal the beginning of the end.
It can take a long time for a tag team to decide on a double team finisher, but I agree, a team needs one. It should be something that can be administered to any opponent. That's when a finishing move is truly effective. And since we're talking about tag teams, remember you and your partner have a reversal again to execute the move.
Pressure helping out HAMZA. He tags himself in, and now it's time for punishment by the Crusher.
That'll hinder your modeling career.
They're just pushing back a little bit. Oh, now we knocked him down.
What a stomp. Good grief. Reconstructing the knee there. He's setting it up. Oh.
For the legs, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see.
Is he done?
Crusher reverses.
Wow, he got out of it.
Yeah, I'm not so sure he had it fully locked in.
He brings him towards the ropes.
Not where he wants to be right now. Hey, he got himself into this mess.
What's gonna happen next, ladies and gentlemen?
Get in there, ref. He's starting to
stall here.
The beauty of tag team competition is that he doesn't need to take the entire brunt of the opposition's attack. Though the thought of making a tag doesn't necessarily appear to be on his mind right now. This is all part of the process, guys. He knew he would take on some offense here tonight. He just has to make sure he keeps it to a minimum.
I'll make this more hardcore.
Oh, look at this aggression, just pure brutality.
Easy.
Jawbreaker.
It looks like. Super
and a super kick. That didn't affect the Crusher.
He's in a little bit of trouble now. There's hopes of winning this tag team match.
Reversal.
He needs a breather in a bad way right now. If he could just make it to his corner and make the tag. Well, he's certainly looking a little worse for wear, but that doesn't mean you should count him out just yet. I'm sure there's plenty of fight still left in it.
And the referee got rid of the chair at least.
This is what makes him one of the best in the biz. Oh, right to the body. That hurts.
I'm not sure how much he has left. Executed perfectly.
Boom!
Oh, tremendous reversal there.
Beautiful technique. And it's out of the showing some agility. Ooh, what impact. He's not looking good here. This tag team match is dangerously close to getting out of control for him.
Why he's still in the match at this point is beyond me, guys. Maybe he forgot it's a tag team match. I don't know. There's got to be some explanation.
Distraction by one of the members of the Undisputed Era. Rusher continues to fight against Adam Cole. There's the tag. Oh man, they're going for the finisher. Here's the cover, ladies and gentlemen.
What's he doing?
One. Oh man, distraction again by the Undisputed Era.
Gaining some extra leverage here.
Leverage pin.
For the rules.
How resilient is that?
What a kick out. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. German suplex.
This is going to
starting to feel it here.
This tag team match
can get out of hand quickly if he doesn't mount an offense soon.
It looks to me like he's really trying to carry this team on his back, which really isn't necessary, considering he has a very capable partner he can tag. It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over.
Ringside, and now HAMZA continues to fight Adam Cole.
He's looking at
this move. And then a Saka cutter.
This is his opportunity to win this thing.
This right here.
Here comes the pin. 1, 2.
He's got plenty of gas left in his tank.
Still a lot more fight left.
When this guy's on,
reversal. Nice attack by HAMZA. Here he comes. Bringing him against the ropes.
Great tag team match here
tonight.
tonight. I don't think the tag team scene has ever been hotter here in WWE.
Oh boy, he is
reversal with the arm drag. Brings him back to the corner. Oh, against the ropes.
Looks like he's starting to falter. You can bet this is not how he drew this one up.
The abuse his body has gone through in this match, a little disturbing. I don't know why he hasn't made the tag yet. It's almost like he enjoys the pain.
Suplex.
Crucial part of the match for him here. He simply cannot let his opponent gain too much momentum.
The other member of the Undisputed Era can see who it is.
O'Reilly is showing signs that it could be ending soon. He needs to find a way to create some space or else this thing's over. It's over at this point.
I don't know. I don't think he truly understood just how dangerous his opposition was heading into this match. Of course, he understands that now, but it might be too little too late.
Wait for the armbar again.
Continuing to punish him.
Move hurting HAMZA's arm more and more.
Wow, I thought he was a goner.
HAMZA was ready for that move. Here he comes. Angle up.
He reverses it.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
And he escapes the hold.
But the damage might have already been done, Michael.
Thrown to his corner.
Gets the tag.
There's the tag. Double team move, ladies and gentlemen.
He's making a statement here for this attack.
Ladies and gentlemen, here he goes. Will he go for the cover? Oh, look at this. Counter. Shoulder breaker.
We've seen some big tag team action over the years here at WWE.
Oh, counter.
This is no different.
Pressure hits Adam Cole. Look at this.
Neck breaker.
That was pretty.
Continues to damage the arm.
Tagged in.
There's the tag.
What a stomp. Good grief. Counter here.
HAMZA was ready for that move.
Here he goes.
Here he comes again with the angle lock.
He's able to reverse it.
And the break.
Is he done?
Great job escaping, trying to turn this
Reversal.
thing around. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Setting it up.
Oh, brainbuster, ladies and gentlemen. This might be it.
He could pin his opponent
Here's the
right here.
count. 1, 2.
Oh my, how in the world did he kick out of that?
At the
It's hard to
count,
believe, but it
ladies
looks like
and
he still has
gentlemen.
some gas left in the tank.
HAMZA is in trouble after that move right there. So let's see.
Kyle O'Reilly setting it up. You gotta believe this
This was over. Wow.
Oh
what
no.
a gritty performance.
Headlock. Will he tap out? Crusher's knocked out outside the ring. And he taps out, ladies and gentlemen.
Chaos, melee, pandemonium. What a tag team display.
Let's watch
a lot of action in that match. Let's have a look.
Almost forgot about this one. Remember this? Look at him go. And finally,
here are your winners, Adam Cole and Kyle O'Reilly, the Undisputed Era.
Another exciting tag team match in the books.
This was all about
NXT Tag Team Championship titles. If not, they just lost it.
You have no choice but to respect it.
With that win in the books, we must now
I believe this is the beginning of a new rivalry between Demolition and the Undisputed Era. So let's continue with more action here on NXT, here on the LVI show. Let's see what's coming up next so you can watch and enjoy the next match.
Well, if history is any guide, the next match should be just as good. Singles match coming up next.
So we have a new member, Nora Rivera, who's making her debut here on NXT. She'll be fighting Lacey Evans. So this is going to be interesting, ladies and gentlemen. Do not miss this match.